Guys, running Kimono here. So, more toilet paper clearance. This find is a special shout out to a young lady by the name of Vic over on Instagram. She sent me a bunch of information yesterday evening-ish, so that's why I didn't make a video. And she was finding these 4-packs of the Angel Soft for $1.09. It was tagged at her store, obviously. And I'm going to show you what she did, and we're going to talk about this, like how to find it at the store, blah, blah, blah. This is kind of a weird one because if you live in a larger market, say you live in Chicago instead of like rural, Wisconsin or Michigan, they'll definitely have this. In smaller stores, they might not, because a lot of Walgreens started removing Angel Soft, and they have more Scott and Quilted Northern, those items. But this one, I think if you're living in a larger city, you will be able to find it. Okay, so let's really pay attention when we're in the store. We have 4 mega rolls, which is 16 of the Angel Soft. Now, looking at the UPC, here it is. So, yeah, there it is. Thank you so much, too, because I was asking Vic, I was like, could you do this? Could you do that? And she's like, oh, no problem. I know a lot of you would like to see the UPC so you know exactly what you're grabbing, in case your store makes things difficult. Okay, and just to show you what Vic did, she found 8 of these for $1.09, so that's $8.72. Now, remember earlier in the week, if you were buying that Dove men and women's body wash, you were getting that goofy $4 store coupon. Look what she did here, guys. She used 2 of them, which is like super, super smart. 72 cents. I mean, that's amazing. And like $1 for this, absolutely. And this is a really good quality toilet paper. You'll get a whole lot in those rolls because they're mega. So just a smart deal. And thanks again, Vic, for sharing with everybody. I know there's a lot of shoppers that will be able to score. So if you open up your app and you type in the search where it has a little search thing with the little magnifying glass, and you type in Angel Soft bathroom tissue, a whole host of them will come up. This is the specific one you're looking for at $4.39. Now, if you look down at the bottom, see how it says 6 in stock? So at this one store, I had to type in a larger city in the app to show you guys this example, because unfortunately it's not here. 6 in stock, so I possibly could get 6 if I drove, 3 hours to a larger store. So at the very least, this is how you can do it. To answer one question, can you just do it through curbside pickup? No, it'll be at the price of $4.39. In store, this is how you get these prices. So you have to physically go into the store, and you have to ask the cashier to scan the product for you, to scan it at the checkout, or if they might have one of those handheld zebras. And I know some of you are kind of shy where you don't want to interrupt a cashier, but you have to maybe bring somebody who's not shy to ask, or just apologize and say, hey, I'm sorry, I'm annoying. Could you possibly scan this? And it kind of sometimes, if you have a grumpier cashier saying that, they'll be like, oh, well, of course I'll help. So, just to throw that out there, because I know a lot of you might be a little, you don't want to bug people, but with this hobby, sometimes you have to. Okay, guys, and then yesterday the big find that a lot of us were finding were these 12 packs of the Cottonelle for $2.49. At my store, it wasn't even tagged, so of course I had to ask the cashier to check for me. We have a dollar digital manufacturer, and you would pay that $1.49. You can roll some Walgreens cash if you wish, or, register rewards, store coupons, that sort of a thing. And IBOTTA has a 75-cent rebate, so it makes it 74 cents for one of these. The limit for the rebate is only 1, just to note that. Now, a lot of you that went to your store, it's still full price. I would go back and check on Saturday afternoon between 2 and 3 o'clock. It might drop again, or it might drop next week. But definitely every time you're in the store, grab one of these, ask the cashier to scan. It will clear sooner than later. And I'm sorry if it didn't clear on the exact schedule. Sometimes these things are weird. And just to show you the UPC of the one that I was finding, I only found this purple one. And here is the UPC if you want to check at your store. And this is the one that was ringing up $2.49 for me. And it was like, wow. But unfortunately, the Angel Soft, not in a month of Sundays. They've been carrying that for the last many, I think the last 2 years they haven't carried those. So as always, guys, good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.